Okay, Lindisfarne Avenue. We're working with the plan view at the moment of the existing property. Basically we've got the model or the plan here, which we're taking a section across here and a section across here and focusing just on the middle part of the building. So these are the two section lines that show the existing building. This middle spine wall here is the key thing, with openings punched through it at the moment, and then the sloping roof is supported off these intermediate walls that divide the property into three. These are all staying, all these structural elements will be staying, although partially demolished. The end gable is going to be completely demolished. So the demolition drawing shows the extent of what is being removed. Bear in mind it's only for this central model at the moment. Everything else has been discarded and ignored, so it can be slightly confusing in that respect. This wall here is being partially demolished, as shown. The whole gable, as discussed, is already coming out. Now this is the foundation for the original wall, which will obviously remain, but I've kept that in because it affects the future foundation design. So moving on to the proposed, we then have in pink the proposed masonry and in red the proposed steelwork. And I've also superimposed the plan of the proposals on to this drawing, and then we have the proposed roof, which shows the intended timbers, roofs and floors. Looking around the back of this model, you'll see that we're demolishing this zone, and making this opening. We think there's already an existing opening here. This is already an existing steel, but more crucially, we're taking away this whole gable here at ground level, which I'm only showing part of in this model, which will be supported off this corner of the original building. Here, and it will span all the way across to this corner here, which is then supporting this steel and this steel, of course. Foundations. The engineer has specified a raft foundation because of the beech trees adjacent, or the beech hedge adjacent. This will butt up against the existing strip foundation. So there's the indication there of the raft on that side. And as you come to the front of the property, there's a raft coming out of the front as well, which I've indicated likewise. Back to the plan view. Existing. And this is what we're proposing to do. So very quickly, proposed, existing, back to the proposed, existing, back to the proposed.